All right, just a quick little update here. I got quite a bit done tonight. I'm going to put together a full video, but I got all of the wiring is finished over here, and the wiring on that side is finished. The wiring in the back of the truck is finished. The only thing I have not messed with, and I'll talk about this in the video, is the 6-gauge wire that goes from the alternator, and I'm still debating, I just can't figure out what I want to do with this dang fuse. I got this giant fuse, and I was underneath the truck, and there's a nice little spot on the bottom of the frame rail down here, but it's exposed to the elements. So I'm going to talk to some people and figure out what I want to do with that dang fuse. I thought about putting it up here, thought about putting it back there. I don't know. Well, anyway, I just wanted to show that this is finally done. Thank goodness. It turned out pretty good. I taped all the wires, got rid of the zip ties, so that's going to look real good when it's nice and wrapped up. So the only thing you're going to see is from about basically right here, you can see these 4 red wires coming out. Everything else is going to be taped up with harness tape, the vinyl tape with no sticky. It's going to look good. So I actually ran out of time, so those are still some zip ties there. But got a bunch of them off. Looks pretty good. Look for the video tomorrow.